Introducing the Shawsheen School Buddy Bench. This is Craig. This is Liam. And this is Juliana. They each wrote a note to Mrs. Gibbs asking about getting a buddy bench at Shawsheen School. They thought it would be a good idea because some kids need friends to play with at recess. The Wilmington Education Foundation and a generous parent gave us the money we needed, and now we have a bench at Shawsheen School.
Yay!
The buddy bench is a place to go when you need help joining a group. When everyone learns how to use the buddy bench, it's a lot easier to join the fun. Rule number 1. Sit on the buddy bench if you want to find someone to play with. Rule number 2. When you see someone sitting on the bench, ask that person to play with you.
Do you want to play with us? Yeah, sure.
Sitting on the bench, look for a game you'd like to join, then get off the bench and ask to play.
Can I play with you guys? Yeah, sure.
Rule number 4. If you're sitting on the bench, play with the first person who invites you.
You want to play? Yeah, sure.
And the final rule of the buddy bench?
Keep playing with your new friends.
Remember, the buddy bench isn't for sitting and talking. There are other benches here for that. Use the buddy bench when you need to find someone to play with or when you see someone in need of a friend.
Let's go play.